Hey, gorgeous, let's dive deep into something that could literally transform your love life forever. Because today, I'm spilling the tea on 5 irresistible secrets that make a man pick you effortlessly, like you're the only shining star in his entire sky. Now, why should you care, oh honey? Because this is the magical step he must take before his heart can truly surrender to you for the long haul. He has to choose you with his whole soul. But wait, there's a juicy twist. While crafting my relationship books, I chatted with countless couples from all walks of life. And guess what I discovered in relationships where the man actively chose his woman? She radiated pure joy and deep fulfillment. Because guess what? He kept showing up with massive effort, even after decades flew by. Why? Simple. He adored her fiercely. And that, my friend, always beats the alternative. When a guy treats your love like a free trial, he can cancel whenever he feels like it. Ouch. Right? I also dug into our ancient human story to decode how we fall head over heels and how bonds formed across tens of thousands of moons and what golden nuggets we can steal from that past to spice up our present. And in this video, I'm handing you those treasures. But here's a sizzling clue. He has to choose you, and not just once. During the shiny honeymoon phase in epic long-term love, the guy keeps picking his queen every single sunrise. Now, when I say a man chooses a woman, I don't mean you can't spark the first flame, but he does need that powerful moment where his mind whispers, yeah, this is the one, I'm all in, I'm chasing her. And then he launches into the thrilling pursuit, the electric mating dance, if you will. And these steps, the choosing and the chase, the passionate pursuit, they're absolutely vital. If they're missing, there's a sky-high chance he'll drift away, and you'll feel that hollow ache. It's just how guys are wired. Things handed to them on a silver platter feel cheap, and things that stick around, even when he's not lifting a finger, also feel low value. And I'm sorry for keeping it 100 with you. But that's exactly what my channel is all about, serving you the raw truth and a backstage pass into the male mind. So let's jump into the 5 sizzling things that make a man pick you over everyone else, so he can then fall crazy in love with you, if you're new here. Welcome, I'm an author who also writes under the pen name Brian Knox. I pour my heart into writing about dating, relationships, and all the juicy topics in between. And here's the first golden rule you make. His world brighter, not heavier. For instance, by dodging unnecessary drama. Sounds obvious, right? But, oh honey, it's not. For example, if you binge any reality TV dating show, whether it's about finding love or a bachelor picking his bride, or even just random folks thrown together for chaos, you'll always spot at least one woman making a man's life tougher with endless drama, and then she's confused why he loses spark or why he picks in her eyes a less stunning woman over her drama is the answer. Guys despise unnecessary drama more than anything else. It's just not worth the headache. Drama makes his life way harder. He might put up with it for a hot minute, but soon it'll suck the joy right out of him, and he'll walk away. And I'm starting with drama because if it's lurking there, it won't just block a man from choosing a woman and falling head over heels. It can even make him unchoose her. And yes, I know some guys bring just as much chaos on reality TV and in real life, but let's keep it real. They're not exactly prize material either. And just to be crystal clear, having standards, setting firm boundaries, telling him what you need, and even having a tough chat does not equal drama. It's all about the vibe, the way you say it. You can totally communicate these things without any messy drama, and I share tons of examples in my other videos. But if you just do this, if being with you feels smooth and easy without unnecessary chaos, you're already shining bright, because guys value this massively. There's already enough storm in his work life. He doesn't want a hurricane in his love life, and you probably feel the same way. The second key ingredient to him choosing you is that he needs the breathing room to actually make that choice, the decision to go all in for you. And for that magic to happen, you cannot be the one constantly chasing him. You can light the first spark, but after that, let him steer the ship. And I know some ladies don't love hearing this, but biologically, this is what works like a charm. If you peek at science, evolutionary biology, and even different cultures across history, you'll see that guys are almost always the pursuers during courtship. And there's a deep biological reason for this. Ladies, for example, have to be picky from a biological angle because picking the wrong guy could have serious ripple effects. Contraception is a super recent invention compared to the 300,000 years we as Homo sapiens have been walking this earth. And before contraception, being intimate with a man often meant dealing with long-term consequences. And that's why historically, most women were very selective, especially before taking that intimate step. And according to some brilliant scientists, this is one of the reasons why men are wired to compete for female attention, because women have always been very picky. That's why guys instantly try to win your interest, and they do this by flashing signs of strength or social swagger, meaning popularity and power or wealth or even humor, which often hints at sharp intelligence. And you see this in plenty of other animals too, where males go all out to impress the females. So if he wants to work for your attention, why not let him, especially if that actually makes him beam with joy? And here's the golden key. A man will not keep pouring effort into you unless he has chosen you first. And when you allow him to put in that effort, it naturally nudges him to make that choice. That's the secret sauce. It helps him decide she's worth it by being selective. You give him the space to make that decision. So how do you pull this off? Then being selective by playing hard to get. Luckily, there's never a need for this one. Don't play hard to get, be hard to get, but at the same time, you still need to be within reach. More on that in a sec. But for instance, don't sleep with him on the first or second date. Even if you're tempted, act like contraception doesn't exist. And wait, that is, if you're serious about him, if you dream of a committed long-term relationship with this specific man, then wait. Also remember, you're still figuring out this guy too. Not because it's a game, but because these things truly take time. You don't really know him. After just 1 or 2 dates, even if you chatted for hours at that point, you only see the highlight reel he wants you to see and all the projections your mind is painting. You might think, yeah, but he's like this and our future could look like that. Yeah, if I gave you $1 for every time a woman was wrong about these 2 things, you'd be richer than Croesus. So please give it time, however. Like I said, stay within reach. And that's ingredient number 3 to help him choose. Have you ever wondered why a lot of physically stunning women have a tough time in love? Well, one huge reason is that they seem out of reach to most guys. Most men are actually too nervous to pursue them because they assume they don't stand a shot. And as a result, the only guys who approach them tend to be players or dudes with oversized egos. It's best not to chase him or pursue him, but you can make the first move or show you're interested, that there's a green light, that you're curious about getting to know him better, that he has a real chance. And I think you absolutely should. So first, we'll walk through how to do this before you've even shared that first kiss, and then I'll explain ways to help him choose you when you've been dating for a while or even in a relationship, because again, that step is crucial for him to truly fall head over heels for you for tens of thousands of years. This is how the mating dance before the first kiss unfolded. Ladies signaled interest but didn't appear too available to keep their value high, and the key to attracting top-tier men lies in this delicate dance. So how did women signal interest back then? Well, one universal way has always been eye contact brief, but repeated eye contact, so more than once. And by the way, this is a slip. I've seen some women they glance once and then never look back, at least not when he can see it. The second and third glance are crucial, otherwise he may think you're not feeling him. Looking once isn't enough. Unless you're dealing with a smooth player, afterwards you can add a little flirtation, like a subtle smile, for example. And then if luck is on your side at some point, he'll find an excuse to chat with you. You will have given him enough green lights at that moment, and when he does talk to you, whatever he says, that's the first time he makes that super important choice we've been talking about. He felt the fear of rejection, probably a ton of it, but he decided she's worth it. I'm stepping over that fear thanks to the green lights you've been sending. Guys love a challenge, but only one they can win if it feels impossible. They won't even try. Only players or men who've practiced on a bunch of women don't feel this barrier. And don't need any green lights now. Once you're chatting another sign of interest you can give him is a light touch here and there and paying more attention to him than the other folks in the group. And that's about as far as you need to go. If he's into you enough, he'll find an excuse to grab your contact info and take things to the next level. And if you're into him, just keep sending those green lights. Another fantastic way to help him choose you. Number 4 is to let him do things for you, whether you're dating or already in a relationship. And this has been around for tens of thousands of years too. The classic damsel in distress is a perfect example. It gives the man a chance to step up, whether it's carrying something heavy for her or offering his jacket so she stays warm thanks to him, the hero. And if the woman wasn't interested, she simply wouldn't let him help. An example of this nowadays can be seen at the gym. Picture a woman lifting weights, and a guy thinks, this is my moment to go chat with her, so he walks over to show her a better way to hold the weights. Yeah, now here's where it gets spicy. If she does not find him attractive, his help is about as welcome as a rainstorm on your beach day. Step away, leave me alone, don't talk to me, and don't even peek my way. But if she does find him attractive, she may let him help her. And that's another green light. She might even say, "Thank you. I couldn't have done this without you." Even though that's not totally true, and letting him help you stays important deep into a long-term relationship. Speaking of relationships, that brings me to number 5. Give him a safe harbor. As you may know, masculine energy, something both men and women have, though it's often stronger in men, is all about achieving and reaching goals and fighting for them and solving problems. Yeah, these are all pretty intense, and he will be in this mode most of the time. So there is already a lot of pressure in his life. And the last thing he wants is more tension in his relationship. He's looking for a peaceful sanctuary, and being a safe harbor means giving him a space where he feels understood and appreciated and respected and loved without judgment. So that means not constantly critiquing him. For example, if the relationship makes him feel valued and encouraged and supported to chase his dreams, you make it super easy for him to make the choice we've been talking about. And when that happens, falling in love with you, that's the natural next step, because you might just make him feel something no woman ever has. Now, just to be clear, this safe harbor is about emotional and mental space. It doesn't mean he expects you to handle the entire household, for example. In fact, as we've seen, he loves doing things for you. What he really wants is for home and the relationship to feel like a peaceful zone, a place where he can just be his authentic self and where he's respected and loved for that. And here's the best part: the safer he feels, the more effort he will pour into the relationship, because he will want to make sure that you feel safe, respected, and loved in return. These were 5 powerful ways to help a man choose you day in and day out, which will create the space for him to truly fall head over heels for you for the long run. If you want more, you can check out my other videos right over here, or you can visit brianknox.com. And of course, there's even more in my books on Amazon. Just type my pen name, Brian Knox, in the search box. And hey, thank you for choosing this video and for choosing to stick around until the very end. I really love it when you do that, seriously. I make these videos for you, so thank you, and I hope to see you in another one. Let me share a powerful truth that transformed how I see love. When I interviewed couples who stayed madly in love for decades, they all had one thing in common. They chose each other daily, not out of habit, but with intention. They saw each other's flaws and still said, "Yes, that's the magic you deserve to experience." And when you apply these 5 principles, you create that exact energy. You become the woman who inspires devotion, not through games, but through authentic, powerful, feminine energy that naturally draws the right man closer. He will pursue you. He will cherish you. He will choose you again and again, because with you, he feels like the best version of himself. And that gorgeous soul is the foundation of lasting, passionate love. So take these words to heart, practice them with grace, and watch how your love life transforms in ways you never imagined. Because you, my friend, are absolutely worthy of being chosen, loved and adored for exactly who you are right now in this moment. Keep shining, keep believing, and keep opening your heart to the beautiful love story that awaits you. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man will see your light and choose you every single day with joy in his heart. Keep believing in your worth, darling, because the right man